We good? We good? We good? All right. This is BelleJuu-TV here with Kenny Haiti.
How you doing? How you doing today? Je salue tout le monde, je salue tout fanatique chose ça. So, nakala.
So how do you think your performance went tonight?
I think it was great. So I expected the way I expected the crowd to be react. So I get the response and it was great, very great.
So if you had any advice for anybody who's upcoming, what advice would you give them?
Keep pushing. That's it. Keep pushing. Don't stop. That's all.
So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Getting a lot of money. And be the greatest. Yeah.
All right. Any upcoming projects?
Yes, this month. Like in 1 week, I'm gonna drop something very soon, and the video will come in December. Yeah.
All right. Last question: Griot or Tasso?
Both.
Why is everybody saying both? It's either one or the other.
Because I eat all of them. I eat all of them. Actually, yesterday I ate a kabwit, Tasso kabwit. Yeah. At what's that?
Oublié.
No, I know. I remember. Albert restaurant. Yeah.
I actually had their Griot wrap earlier today. It was really good. Very good.
I mean, at first I didn't like them, but now, yeah, maybe they changed the chef. It's very good now. Keep the chef. Keep her or him.
All right, so thank you for letting me interview you tonight. I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here at the party and keep pushing.
I'm enjoying. All my friends are here. My mom's here. My mom, she's standing over there in the corner. She over there, right there. That's my mom. Though in the jean jacket. She over there. She here and she's supporting my friends. Everybody here. So I'm enjoying. Yeah.
All right. So that was Kenny Haiti with BelleJuu-TV. So that was BelleJuu-TV signing off.